Chris from Upper Kirby has a question about algae alleviation.
He's looking for some organic help, Tom. Chris writes, I have this outdoor AC runoff water collecting system, okay, where 2 flow into a third bottle and all that. And this is a picture of the bottom of it here. This is what he's writing about. He says, I watered the garden with the water it collects, and the bottom tank has this algae bloom in it. And since I'm using it for my garden, and my garden is organic, I'm looking for a way to get rid of this bloom without going any kind of bad mojo chemicals. Any
I mean, people would think bleach and stuff, and that's not going to be good if
not for the garden, no.
Come on, Charlie, what do we use when we don't have to worry about the plants, and it's real gentle, and it's very effective? Consan.
Oh, I was going to call somebody.
I'm going to call somebody. No, Consan is a product I would tell you to look at. Follow the directions, because there's a whole little book about doing this kind of cleanup on fabric, cars. I mean, it goes on and on and on. Just follow it. It will not hurt your plants. It's very mild, but it's very effective. That's why they use it in hospitals and stuff, because it's not poisonous.
You can probably find it he's over in Upper Kirby. So you probably find it over at Buchanan's or something
there you go.
Like that.
One of the local nurseries.
Sure, you got it. Or an Ace Hardware or someplace like that.
It's actually, just for everybody listening or watching, it's used as a fungicide on plants. So it's not a bad thing. It's not a fertilizer, but it's not going to hurt the plants.
There you go. You got a question? We'd be happy to help you out just like that, organically.
Yes.
Go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell,
Ding.
and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.